You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I never wanted to be Iron Man, but it worked out for everybody.
Save the world again. Or is it worlds this time?
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I was thinking, all spider people are connected to a spider totem. Yeah? Yeah. So I wonder if there are like raccoon totems.
My totem is a gun. Also, what's a raccoon?
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Don't forget, securing the mission area is your top priority.
These worlds come back. Countless people will die. I must stop it.
I have found more lost souls. Just dying. Like a flock of these things, Namor.
What do I hit next? I'm taking requests. Poor kid. I never believed Loki's actually down. Is he actually down?
Double KO! That's 3!
We fight well together.
Couldn't stand the weather.
Don't get that vehicle to its destination.
I'll patch you up.
Thanks to the web of life and destiny.
Double KO!
In every alternate dimension. Huh. So where do I rank on the list of reality in this fighting? Gotta be pretty high, right?
Maybe not top 10.
Happy to help.
Maximum pulse!
You're mine. I will always lend a hand.
Powering up.
Your soul. I am Asgard's might!
What's the other guy doing? I don't think that's the welcoming committee.
Happy to help.
You're halfway there. Keep going!
Rise, my friend!
Powering up.
Rest once more.
One step closer to saving the world.
Almost there. Don't turn back now. We are undefeatable!
You get a web and you get a web and you get a web!
Oh, I am. I
Incoming!
Your powers are mine! Maximum
You've
pulse!
reached the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
I'll patch you up.
Be swift.
Double KO!
What do I hit next? I'm taking requests.
That's 3!
I'm just dying.
Ooh, there's Stark Fujikawa. Sorry, no time to stop and buy new holocoms. We gotta keep moving.
Headed for trouble. Maximum pulse!
Iron Man operational again. Powering up.
The enemy is here. I'm hulking.
Rise, my friend!
Big chance! Double KO!
Powering up.
That's 3!
I'm hulking.
Another epic victory! Big! You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. I'm here to finish the fight that my father began. I hope I make him proud.
I'm your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Only my neighborhood is now like multiple realities. Cool, right?
You don't have to be a witch to find the magic in this world, but it does help. I've made my share of mistakes, but I am fighting every day to make
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready!
You must teach me some of your chaos magic, Wanda.
No.
Not even a tiny bit? Come now.
I think you know quite enough about chaos as it is.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Don't forget, securing the mission area is your top priority.
My father would have loved to see Wakanda reaching across the stars.
More bad guys. Just what we need. Don't mind me. I'm just dying. You're welcome.
I still need you.
You're not going anywhere!
Chaos control!
Now, a disappearing act.
Down! That blocker hurt!
Help is here! I'm wounded. Who will help?
You're welcome.
You needed some help, didn't you?
Enjoy the amplifier!
Getting my chance. Double KO! You made me angry. Shut up. That's 3. Pure chaos!
A disappearing act.
Race Bless us with victory!
All fall before Namor.
Chin up.
My
We are
face.
in the front!
Help get that vehicle to its destination. This is natural anger.
You're welcome.
I'm wounded.
Ah, yes.
We are undefeatable!
A disappearing act.
Sensational.
Our progress shall not be impeded.
Spider Zero, you will reach the lever. That is my promise.
Those guys are about to shoot at us.
Focus on the battle.
I just got more dangerous.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
I'll patch you up. Don't mind me.
I am ready to put on a show. This is natural anger. Feel better. Fight better.
Let my enemies tremble.
This is natural anger. Hostile ahead.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man! Unleashed!
My friend is with you.
See? I'm fucking helpful.
Life energy brings. We're closer. Get that vehicle moving again. Help is here.
I shall escort you to your destination, Spider. Attack them!
We are undefeatable.
You better get on my me. I'm just dying.
You don't have to fight alone. Oh, I need assistance. Resist.
I am not myself! Only given so many chances to shine.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Render me assistance. Fucking nasty. More does not lose.
Let's rip it to shreds!
Onward to the top.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum. Let me help.
Magneto!
It pleases me to be helpful.
Mercy, nor does its king. Denizens of the deep.
Toms, we gotta keep moving.
Help is here.
I outnumber you.
Know your limits.
Spider Zero, you will reach the lever. That is my promise.
More bad guys. Just what we need.
Behold the god of thunder!
Don't let anything stand in your way. Help, friends. This is natural anger.
Don't mind me. I'm just dying.
You look tired.
I'll patch you up.
We are undefeatable.
This should grace us with victory!
Well, okay.
Like
Let me help. Poor Rocket. I never wanted to fight him. It pleases me to be helpful.
You're welcome. This is real firepower!
Assistance?
Bring on the chaos!
Pulse charge! Nobody can hang with the pulse cannon!
It's natural anger. Help is here.
You're welcome!
You look tired. You make me angry. Focus on the battle.
All fall before the war.
Hero, you will be destroyed. That is my promise.
I'll patch you up.
Hostile.
Maximum pulse!
My anger is purged. Help is here. Knees down.
Born again!
We are undefeatable! We triumph together! I am wounded. Who will help? Another epic victory! Big win! Pick your hero. Or villain. I'm not judging.
You are insignificant. The bond between a symbiote and its host is sacred. Do not dare.
Pulse reactors take a minute to
30
charge.
seconds before you attack. Get ready.
So, thousands of futures and the only surviving Asgard is one you rule.
It's true.
Quite convenient for you that you are the sole witness to this future.
You are among the few mortals who could prove me wrong, Strange. You're welcome to try.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Time has unraveled. You will stitch it together again.
Enemies on approach.
Your dog is suffering.
Turn around, they're on your back!
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Capture the mission area! Control these!
Rejuvenation.
Bullets bested again by spell work.
A battle is coming.
I need assistance. Control lost!
Your dog is suffering.
Turn around, they're on your back!
Shake it Help, friends!
Venom lives.
We are undefeatable!
Maximum pulse!
Behold! Keep going!
Child!
Control lost! Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point. Gather around! We are undefeated!
Venom lives.
Charge!
Beware! An enemy! Help, friends!
Judge! Jury! Executioner!
Nice going, Webhead.
Double KO!
Venom lives. We shall protect the innocent and devour the guilty.
Hit this spot with everything you have.
Yes!
Yes, quite.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready!
A new world is unfolding. A shuffling of the galactic guard, if you will. You could be part of it.
I will remain loyal to my friends.
Loyalty is a powerful bond, and also a terrible weakness.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I was a prisoner of the Collector. One day, I will get even.
My anger is hot!
Enemies on approach. Hurry up.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Render me assistance!
The mission area is yours. We are undefeatable!
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Who's behind you, man? Draw near. Still need you.
Toughen up.
Who's behind you, my
Pulse charge! Fire!
Glory is almost yours!
By the eye of this universe needs a different kind of...
This is the place! Attack!
A lethal one.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
With a few upgrades, that suit of yours could be unstoppable.
It is not a suit. Symbiotes are living beings.
Or tech. I can work with that. Wait, is it slimy?
Not as slimy as you, Stark.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Ready to unleash my... The occult threats to this world are many, and they grow stronger.
Hit this spot with everything you have.
Looks like the mission area is
Judge! Jury! Executioner!
The wizard is down. Who's behind you, my lord?
There's another one.
Mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
I am wounded. You will help.
You get a weapon! You get a weapon!
Control lost.
You thought we were
This is
done.
natural anger.
Powering up.
Boom!
Chin up.
Render me assistance!
Chin up.
Thought you got rid of me. Think again.
Control C.
Pulse charge! Fire!
Bring on the chaos! You get a weapon! You get a weapon! You get a weapon! Too sticky for you!
I must rest.
Turn around.
Get in there!
Here is an enemy.
Step closer to saving the world. Look out below!
This spot gives me a strange feeling.
I found a spot where we can cut loose. Entanglement.
He captures more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Cheap tricks, wizard.
Fear Magneto!
Render me a
Our enemies are near.
I'm ready to heal. Glory is almost yours!
Powering up. I unleash the Vishanti's power. Maximum pulse!
Another epic victory! Big win! Pick your hero. Or villain. I'm not judging.
Be wary. No timeline exists where Magneto yields. I will never allow Krakoa to suffer the same fate as Genosha.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Oh, you missed a lot while you were wrapped up in that cocoon, old buddy.
I have learned all I need to know, Peter Quill. You need not regale me with your tales of personal glory.
Oh, yeah, okay. But is it cool if I do it anyway? It's kind of my thing.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I am Groot.
You shall not be harmed.
Shields up!
The Punisher is upgrading his arsenal.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
You should be ashamed.
Capture the mission area! Double KO! Control C!
You cannot hurt me.
Double KO!
Fool.
I am Groot.
It seems the Punisher has begun.
You shall not be harmed.
This shield will serve me well. I'll turn them into splinters for that, Groot.
This will be
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
chain. Your attacks are futile.
The area is almost yours!
I wish I could say I was shocked, Aurora.
Behold the God of Thunder!
Your attacks are futile.
We are undefeated!
I will do what it takes to protect my people, no matter the price.
Before you attack. Get ready.
Wanda, it is a pleasure to see you, my dear.
Wish I could say the same, Father.
You may not be a true mutant, but you will always be welcome on Krakoa.
Thank you for the invite, but I think I will...
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Even my cosmic might may not be enough to save this universe. Our foes have arrived.
Judge! Julian Executioner!
There are more of them than expected. Your attacks are futile.
I'll turn them into splinters! Rise, my friends!
Feel the wrath of the goddess!
Watch your back. Just once more. The Punisher. Good to see you.
Significant gnats. This will be helpful.
Capture the mission area!
Magneto! You have made your father proud, Wanda, my dear. You cannot hurt me. Rest now, my child. Your troubled days are over.
Your powers are mine!
I knew that would work!
Control C's!
The cosmos heals you.
Focus on yourself.
I am Groot!
Quantum magic.
You shall not be harmed.
I have found more lost souls. Whoa! Where did Frank get a gun that big?
Double KO!
You are safe now, my friend. Quantum magic.
You shall not be harmed.
Behold the God of Thunder!
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Turn them into splinters, that group.
Ease down.
I have fallen under their sway.
We are undefeatable!
Fear Magneto! Fatal attraction.
I I got another one.
Back up all that.
The area's almost yours!
Together.
This will be helpful.
Judge, jury, executioner!